Equatorial Forest Region, Zaire. The region that lies on both sides of the equator is called the Equatorial Region. To study this region, we have chosen Zaire. Zaire is a country which lies on this region. It has hot and wet climate throughout the year. It is also known as the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The equator crosses the northern part of Zaire. Kinshasa is its capital. It is located on the southern bank of the Congo River. Kinshasa is the largest city in Central Africa. The country's most significant feature is the Congo Basin, which encircles it. Zaire has a total area of about 23,44,885 square kilometers. Its greatest width from west to east is about 1900 kilometers. Its greatest length from north to south is 2010 kilometers. Land features. Zaire is the second largest country in Africa after Algeria. It is bounded by the Central African Republic and Sudan on the north, and Sudan on the north, and on the east by Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, and Tanzania. On the south, Zaire is bounded by Zambia and Angola, and on the west by the Republic of Congo. It is surrounded by mountains on three sides. The Rwenzori Range lies on the Ugandan border, and it has Zaire's highest peak, the Margarita Peak. The Virunga Mountains are near Rwanda. After the Nile River, the Congo is the longest river in Africa. The famous lakes of this country are Lake Albert, Lake Edward, Lake Kivu, and Lake Tanganyika. Climate and vegetation. The climate of Zaire is very hot and wet. Temperatures are high throughout the year. Temperatures are higher in February. The air is always humid. Mornings are very sunny. At noon, heat is intolerable. Frequent heavy rains in the afternoon cause cool evenings and nights. Heavy rains occur from April to November in the northern part, and from October to May in the southern part of the country. In the central part of the country, rainfall is evenly distributed throughout the year. Vegetation of Zaire is very rich. The climatic conditions are highly suitable for plant life. Most of the northern part of the country is covered with dense rainforest. These trees reach about 40 to 50 meters in height. In all, about 60% of the country's area is forested. Trees like teak, ebony, mahogany, and redwood grow abundantly. Bamboo, rubber, cotton, and banana also grow there. Focus. Draw the flag of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Describe it and state what does it mean. Animal life. Animal life is also rich and varied. Animals like elephants, gorillas, hippopotamuses, chimpanzees, baboons, okapis, and buffaloes are found in the forests. Lions, leopards, giraffes, and zebras are found in the grasslands. Reptiles such as pythons, vipers, tree cobras, etc. are common. Many kinds of birds such as parrots, pelicans, cuckoos, flamingos, etc. are seen. People and occupation. The Bantu-speaking people constitute a large majority of Zaire's population. About 70% people live in villages. About 30% people live in cities. The country's population is concentrated in the eastern highlands and along rivers. The Pygmies are the earliest inhabitants of Zaire. Most of them live in the forests. They are very good hunters. More than 200 languages are spoken in the country. French is the official language. There are 4 African languages spoken widely. These are Swahili, Kikongo, Shiluba, and Lingala. Main occupations of the people are farming, forestry, fishing, and mining. People chiefly grow cassava and paddy in the humid equatorial region. People also grow peanuts, oil palms, coffee, and various fruit trees. Coffee is the chief agricultural export. In the eastern highlands, people grow food crops like beans and sweet potatoes. People also grow various vegetables. Goats, pigs, chickens, and sheep are raised. Cattle are raised in the eastern and southern parts of the country. Zaire is a major producer of diamonds, cobalt, copper and tin. Other minerals like silver, gold, manganese and cadmium are also found in Zaire. Industrial activities provide 13% of employment. Hydroelectric plants produce all of the energy for the country's needs. Transportation. Zaire does not have a good transport system. Roads and railways are in poor condition, which cause problems to transport crops to markets. People extensively use waterways. The Congo River and its tributaries serve as the main means of transport in Zaire. The country has international airports and state-owned Congo Airlines.